My name's Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. Today I'm here to show you how you actually can remove foil from the base of your stove. I don't know if you've ever had this happen before. I've had it in my own stove where the foil, if you lay down to protect the stove, actually will burn and adhere to the base of your stove. It's not a pretty picture. So what you can do, if you have the foil laying down there and you're noticing it's starting to stick, you can turn the stove on and put it up to 200 degrees, and all that's going to do is really just soften up the aluminum foil. Turn the stove off and be very, very careful not to go in there while it's hot, and then you're going to lift up and remove the foil. Now if anything's stuck down there, what you're going to do is scrape it off, and not with anything harsh. I have all the different equipment that we need here to try and get it off. So the first thing you can do is have an old wet rag, and you can lay that down on the stove and literally let it sit, and that too will get underneath the foil and kind of loosen it up a little bit. After you've done that, you can take a scraper. Again, it's soft, it's not a metal one, it's silicone, and scrape off as much of the foil that you can, being very careful not to scratch the stove. You've got a couple other tricks. You can use a credit card. Again, just trying to scrape the foil. And then in between time, if it's not coming off, you notice it's not, start the process all over again of heating up the stove to 200, letting it cool down a little bit, putting the wet rag on there, and then scraping again. You can try one of the non-stick sponges that will try and scrape off some of the foil, and even some of the little scrapers. Again, they're very soft, so they're not going to scratch your stove. Never use the self-cleaning mechanism until you've gotten all the foil off. It's going to take a lot of time and a lot of patience, but you can do it. Just keep at it and it'll come off. So unfortunately, it's something you got to do. You can't use your self-cleaning mechanism until it's all off. So keep at it and it will come off. Happy cleaning.